Ever notice how many little movements life asks us every day? We're looking for something, we're reaching, turning, carrying. Today, we're going to practice some of those shapes gently so your body feels a little bit more ready for real life. So make a nice stand here. We're standing in the front of our closet like in mountain pose. Of course, we don't open our closet and say, let's get in mountain pose, but for this practice, that's what we're gonna do. And with our nose, our eyes, we're gonna look on the top shelf. So we're gonna just bring your eyes up. Maybe look a little bit side to side. Where is it? Center? No, it was not there. Let's look down. Look down, there's shoes, pile of clothes that fell off the hangers. I think everyone can relate to that. Other side, slow, slow, slow. Feel that on your upper back. Let's look one more time, it feels so good. Let's look, more shoes over there piled up. Oh, wow, huh? Where is it? Where is it? Maybe if we push the clothes from the hanger, push, let your hip turn a little bit. No, it's not there. Other side, push. Just push. Push the pile of clothes. Oh, and we got a nice space in the middle, so we can bend our knee. Grab from the laundry basket, put clothes on the hangers. Little wrist movement here, just wrist movement. Bend your knees, back is straight, grab something else. Keep your shoulder as high as possible. Little motion both ways with your wrist as you put your clothes on the hanger. Bend your knees, there's another piece of clothes. Oh, there it was. What's inside? What's inside? This is one of my socks I've been looking for. Aha! Oh! And a ball from the dryer. Now, let's put that on the hanger. One more piece of clothes here. Reach. And with this one's gonna go on the top shelf. Oh, maybe a little to the side, maybe a little to the other side. Oh. Oh. Ah, nice. Reaching and reaching and reaching. Nice little wrist movement. Are you getting ready to open that jar? You grab that jar. Turn slow, 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 slow the cover. It won't open. Other side. Slow, 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 turn the cover. Slow, 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 turn the cover. Slow, 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 turn the cover. Nice jar. Now our keys. Want to get in the house. In the hole and turn. In the hole and turn. You forgot your glasses? You can't fill the hole? Poke, 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 poke. Okay, here it is. If the other you couldn't see with one hand, you can't see with this one. So poke, poke, poke. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, turn. Now let's turn the knob. Oof. Open the door. And twist the knob. Other side. Open the door. Twist and open. Twist and open. Let's come to my house. Come in. Well, hello. Come on in. Nice little twist here. My leg hasn't moved yet. Did yours move? And that's okay if they did. You got more of your body involved into it, and that's what we're gonna join you right now. Start moving a little bit. We're getting to our core. Groceries in the trunk. You know how that goes, right? Oh my goodness. Open the trunk. Go ahead. Open the trunk. Now, at the hip, we're gonna fold forward just a little bit. Fold forward. Reach for that bag. Grab the bag out of the trunk. You've got your bag here. to your side maybe. And we're gonna go bring it in. Back to the trunk. Back to the trunk. Fold at the hip. Little bend in the knee. Grab the bag, and we want to like upper our body. We don't want to do that like that with our bag. Yeah? We want to lift the body up through the leg. Push through your leg. You've got your bag to the side. Let's bring that to the core. Yeah, switch side. Make everything equal. Back to our trunk. Fold in. Grab your bag. Push up. Yeah, the legs do most of the work here. We don't want to hurt our back. One more bag. Grab it. Now we have to go to the other side. Carry your bag and put it. So we bend our knee to make the legs do all the work. Let's close our trunk. Just close your trunk. Close the trunk. Close all over. Let's close everybody's trunk. Nice movement with control. We're coming back up with control. Oh my goodness. Lots of fun though, Real life, ask our body sometime for quite a bit of little things. We want to put our socks on. Your socks on, balance. You got your wall, your chair to hold on to. Put your socks on. Other socks. Make sure all your weight, like if you're going in tree pose, all your weight on one foot. Go up. And if you focus somewhere on the socks, that should help you with the balance. Other side again. Put all your weight into one leg. Lift your toes. Grab that ground. Come up. Put your socks on. Oh yeah. Other socks. You're not wearing socks, just pretend you are. I'm pretending right now, right? Oh yeah. You lose your balance a little bit, wobble. That's great. It's your body remembering how to stabilize. It's all learning that. It's learning for you. There's days that our body's got to do so much things, or putting on socks seems so athletic. Oh my goodness, my name is Anne-Marie. I am the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. And whenever you are ready, I'll be waiting for you at your next class. Until then, you have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.